All right, today's question is, how much effect does PPC conversion rate have on keyword ranking? First of all, thanks Ahmad for submitting this question to our site. Now, when it comes to organic keyword ranking, Amazon's A9 algorithm looks at a few different things, right? Some of these we know quite well, things like unit velocity. In other words, the number of products and the number of units that are sold each day on each keyword. Others include things like review velocity, quality of the listing, quality of the reviews, certainly the different listing optimization requirements that are needed, and certainly relevance, okay? Now, when it comes to PPC's impact on that conversion rate, or rather on the organic ranking, it doesn't necessarily have a positive or negative effect on it. It contributes to the number of units sold. It actually may increase the conversion rate, which is actually a good thing, if the ads are dialed in correctly. Most brands struggle with trying to get the conversion rate on their ads the same or higher than their overall or their unit session percentage, but there certainly are many methods, many tactics in order to do that. So as long as you've got similar conversion rates, it shouldn't have any effect whatsoever as far as any impact, either positive or negative, on the organic keyword ranking.